guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dory and I'm here to tell you all about hiking gear, hiking tips, and how you have to plan your hike. Today we've got another unboxing to do, and this time I ordered a sleeping bag from Undercling Mike here in Australia. I'm really curious, so let's open it up. You can tell I'm so excited again. Ta-da! Awesome! Right, so now that we've opened it up, this is the sleeping bag that is made by Undercling Mike in Sydney. It's the -8 degrees Celsius version, regular length and regular width, and it's got 850 duck down inside, and it weighs about 680 grams, so I'll put it on scale later, but it's pretty accurate. So it's a quilt. It has an open toe box that you can close with a zipper. Then there are two draw cords that you can pull tight, and then we've got this little toe pillow which prevents the cold from entering to your feet. There won't be any gap because of this pillow. You can also opt for a closed toe box, but yeah, I don't know, I just like the fact that I could still open it as a blanket if I wanted to. You've got a draft collar which makes it really warm around your neck, and it holds the warmth even better. And you've got two draw cords, so you can really fully close up the top and close it off around you. In terms of straps, so we've got some buttons we can close it up with, and we've got two large straps. They go around your mattress or sleeping pad, and then you can connect the sleeping bag with these little clips. I chose a burnt orange 10D taffeta material for the inside and a 15D taffeta material on the outside, which is the grape leaf. I like the fiery orange, and when you wake up in the morning it gives you like a little bit of an extra energy kick. And I like the dark color on the outside because I don't want to attract any animals. So as funny as it sounds, I think, I don't know, that's what I kind of paid attention to. This is called a sweet potato because it obviously looks like a sweet potato. It feels really lofty and it feels so super warm. Even when I tried it before, I felt really toasty when I was just under it, okay? Even the materials, when you feel it, it feels like it's got that really high-end quality. And it's not like you feel like you're gonna rip it open anytime. So that was really important for me because, yeah, I don't know, I just want to have good quality gear, not something that I will pay a fortune for and won't last me for the next few years. The only thing that I am a bit careful with is the zipper here. The zipper looks a bit fragile, but I'm pretty sure that is because it's a weight saving thing. So when you order a quilt from Undercling Mike, you will also get a storage bag, so you can store your quilt in here. So that's another nice feature. So you're asking, why did I choose this sleeping bag? There's so many options on the market. Why did I go for a guy that makes these in his garage in Sydney? Well, I had a whole list of options that I wanted to choose from, including the Feathered Friends, Flicker, including Z-Pack sleeping bags, Enlightened Equipment, and Catabatic. But after reading all the reviews and finding out about this sleeping bag in particular, I was completely sold. So why I chose the sleeping bag is it's fully customizable, including the colors. You have length options, you have width options, so you have regular and wide. For me that was really important because you can fully customize your quilt. Also what was important for me is the weight, and for -8 degrees specifically, it was a very good weight trade-off for the price. So apart from the fact that it's fully customizable and it really retains its warmth according to all the reviews that I've read, there's also the factor that this product is Aussie made, and I kind of wanted to try a local product. And I'm actually very happy I did, because The quality looks fantastic, and also the customer service is fantastic. Even though you don't deal with the website, you deal with the person himself. And then the last reason why I chose this sleeping bag in particular is because it comes standard with a draft collar. I could choose the lofting options, like there's 3 different options you can choose from, and also this little pillow on the feet that guaranteed me 100% that I wasn't gonna get cold feet at night, okay? Because that was my only concern for buying a quilt, and with this, problem solved. Now you might ask, where do I get this sleeping bag, because I've never heard of it. And you're right, it's really off market kind of gear, and this guy is only to be found on the bushwalk.com forum, which is an Australian forum, but you can arrange international shipping, and the guy is really friendly. So I will put a link below in this video so you can check it out. And this is not a paid review, and I really chose this product because I wanted to try it, and I really did a lot of research on the quality and the reviews of this product. So far so good, so I'm happy to trust this sleeping bag on my next hike. And of course I will let you know how I go, but I'm pretty confident that this product will perform very well. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!